Alright, hi guys. So here we are with another set of questions. We are going to discuss notes, tables, all of that, from the reading module of IELTS exam. So, yes, let's read about it first and gradually we'll move on to the tips. The IELTS academic reading note completion question type is more complicated than other question types. So, in the note completion question, the passage will be given followed by some incomplete notes. You need to understand the notes to pick the right keyword. Then you have to compare the keyword with the passage to locate the exact text and identify the correct answer. So, note completion is one of the regular type of questions in the IELTS academic reading test. And in the note completion question, you will be provided with one or more paragraphs followed by a few notes with blanks. So you are asked to complete the notes with the suitable word from the given passage. So what are the skills required to solve note completion questions? Let's see. So you must read the instructions properly. Of course, this reading the instructions, this skill and this tip is required for every question type, guys. So always remember, instructions are a very important part of your reading as well as listening test. Please do not ignore them, because if you write the wrong number of words, then definitely, even if you've written something right from the text, a part of it is correct, you will be given a zero. So definitely please do read the instructions very carefully. Next skill which you need for this particular question type, and for all in fact, again is the same like others: read the passage and question clearly before you look for answers. The important thing is time management. So don't waste your time by reading the entire passage. Look for the relevant text that matches the question. Now, common challenges faced while answering note completion questions. So, skipping the instructions given. This is one of the biggest challenge and problem which occurs with the students. Looking for the answers without complete knowledge about the passage. Not finding the keywords and searching the answers using the word prior to the blanks. Changing the word form and not looking for synonyms. So these are few of the challenges. Now, strategies and tips to solve. What are the strategies? So in the note completion question, some important points or information from the given passage are presented in the form of notes. You are asked to complete the notes with missing information from the part of the passage. Note completion question type is quite similar to the table and for flowchart completion question type. So the approach to finding the answers is similar. The incomplete notes you see at the bottom of the paragraph are usually in order. But sometimes it may not be the sequence with the intention of making the task. Modify the instructions carefully so that you can avoid basic mistakes. Remember, you do not exceed the word limit. Notice the headings and subheadings as it helps to get you to the correct text in the passage. Then read the passage and question precisely to understand the in depth meaning, which helps you to fill in the answers quickly. Identify the keyword to spot the correct portion in the passage. Note that you should not change the word form. Your chosen word must be the same as in the passage. So these are few of the things. Then again we have another list which says check that your answer is grammatically correct and relevant to the particular incomplete note. Do not repeat the word which is already in question. Also be aware of synonyms. Then compare the keyword and pick the perfect word from the passage. Predict the correct word that completes the note before looking into the passage. You find the instructions like no more than two words or numbers at the top of the question. That means above every question it will be mentioned. Then remember that and start answering the questions. Now here is again a brief history of chocolate. So this is a sample passage. Here are the questions related to it, and no more than 2 words. Again, you know by reading this that we cannot use more than 2 words. Again, I have given you the answers along with explanations, so you can check by yourself and self evaluate, re-evaluate when you're re-watching the video, and see to yourself that okay, this is how we have actually derived the answer. So guys, this finishes up us with today's class, that is note completion questions, and definitely very soon we are coming up with another kind of question, which is summary completion question, and that is most probably the last question of the reading module. And very soon we are going to switch to the listening module from tomorrow itself. So yes, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching us live. Please do not forget to subscribe and register to our YouTube channel, which is with the same name, Shiksha Study Abroad, as you know. So yes, the registration link is given right below this video which is going on, and you just have to click on it. It's absolutely for free, and of course you can avail few perks like download free sample papers for the IELTS exam preparation from our landing page. And of course, you can get in touch with our expert counseling team, which will guide you throughout whatever doubt or query you have regarding the IELTS exam or any other exam for that matter, any migrating exam, any question you want to ask. So, definitely you can by registering with us. And yes, thank you so much, guys. See you soon.